Live in North Portland, Lisa Bailey, KOIN 6 News.
And now the race is on to get that situation taken care of before the rains come back. Feel bad for that homeowner. Lisa, thank you. Another downed tree is blocking a neighborhood street in Gresham. Centennial High School canceled classes today because of power outages there. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Jenny Young, they're at Crown Point in the Gorge, where wind gusts over 80 miles per hour today, and she's got some folks there behind her with some key instruments.
All right, so these folks are our meteorologists, Steve and Natasha. They've been out here with us all morning. They've got their tools measuring gusts right now, like you said, 80 miles an hour at one point. What we're feeling right now is hurricane force winds. We're about 74 miles an hour, Dan, and it's pretty painful. These guys in their element. This is my first time doing something like this. Let me tell you, we would absolutely not be doing this if we were near any trees, and we're using this railing to, really protect ourselves. And I know, Natasha, that's a workout. Ethan, the photographer, is saying that what he's doing, having to stabilize, is a workout. Dan, a woman trying to get down these stairs just a few moments ago took a tumble and really gashed up her knee. So we're trying to help people kind of come down, hold their railing and walking them down. But people are coming out just to experience this. I talked to a couple from Salem earlier, made the nearly 2-hour drive. They've lived here their entire life, but never come for the winds. Listen to what they told me. What was it like?
It's windy. Gusts and almost knocks you off your feet.
Do you have any advice for our live shot?
Take your hat off before you get out.
That's a good. We're in shorts though. You're in shorts.
I wear shorts year round.
Yeah, he was in shorts. We've seen 2 people in shorts. I don't advise that. It can be obviously quite painful when it hits you. You do definitely want something covering you. But on the highway, if you're out on the highway, we know speeds are reaching like 50, 60 miles an hour. National Weather Service saying you have to really hold the steering wheel and brace and keep a distance from semi-trucks. Semi-trucks really do not need to be on the highway, and winds like this obviously do not go near trees or branches, and you definitely want to avoid windows inside your home. Natasha, do you have any advice? What's your advice? Hold on to your hat. Your advice, Steve.
Stay home.
Yes, stay home. All right, we're going to send it back to you guys live at Crown Point. Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.
And what you can't see is the photographer Ethan with a 40-pound camera trying to lean back into the wind. Oh my goodness gracious. And obviously Jenny's having trouble making words with the wind right there. All right, so Kelly, how did you not, did you draw the long straw?
I think I drew the right straw being here in the studio. Sometimes it can be hard to talk with some of those strong winds and kind of breathe too.
Yes.
So incredible up there. Yesterday we were seeing gusts around 80. Today they're closer to about 60 miles per hour. Still